Okay, guys. So today we will start talk about matrix chapter. Okay, about matrix. So first of all, can I ask you guys what you all learn? What you all know about matrix chapter? What terms that can come to your mind when I say about matrix? Just tell anything you all know. Apa ungkapan boleh datang kepada minda kamu bila cakap tentang matrix? Perkataan apa? Kurungan. Okay, correct. Songsangan, betul. Correct. Identity matrix, good point. Yes, Shamnat, correct. Other than that, guys, lagi. The other way to solve simultaneous. Yes, Afrika, betul. Kaedah matrix is actually another method for you guys to solve simultaneous equation. So when you enter form 5, bila masuk form 5, sekarang kamu diperkenalkan dengan 3 kaedah dah. Sekarang. Total 3 methods to solve simultaneous. Substitution, elimination, matrix. Okay, pergantian, penghapusan dan kaedah matrix. 3 kaedah total lah. Okay, so okay, let's start lah. Since you all gave me some points already, so let me start to share. Okay. Okay, so can you see the screen, guys? Boleh nampak screen tak? Can you see my slide? Okay, can. Okay, good. So let me use the pen. Okay. So first of all, guys, I want you all to notice all of these things on this front page. Saya nak kamu kenal pasti semua perkara ini. Do you all know what does this represent, guys? The thing I circle. Apa dia mewakili? Yes, very good. Unsur dalam matrix, the elements in the matrix, correct. So can I ask you, let's say I take this one lah, yang ni, fokus kepada yang ni, okay? Nombor 2 dalam ni mewakili apa? What does number 2 represent over here? Yes, row 2. Very good. Ini cara kita label matrix, guys, untuk kenal pasti unsur. This is the way we label a matrix to identify the elements inside it. Okay? So how about this, guys? Number 3 represent what? Yes, column. Very good. Okay. So baris dan lajur. Okay, in BM. So row 2, column 3 means this element is located in row 2, column 3 lah. Tapi kat sini kita tak tahu lah nombor dia apa. We don't know the number only. So we just use a general form to represent the number. Kita guna bentuk macam ni. Selalu kita akan guna huruf A untuk mewakili unsur. We always use A to represent an element. Okay, so now let me give you an example with numbers to make it more clear for you guys. Okay, sorry, wait. From here, insert one page. Okay, let's say I have a matrix. Saya panggil matrix ni matrix M. So I ask a few questions from here. Okay, guys, can you tell me element A12? Apa nilai dia? What is the value for element A12? Yes, very good. Bagus. Maksudnya kamu tahulah macam mana nak baca. This is how we read, guys. Row 1, this is row. Number 1 represent row. Number 2 represent column. Baris pertama, lajur ketiga. So, baris pertama, lajur kedua, sorry. And then kedua, number 2. So, you will get 3 as your answer. Okay, guys. So, let's say I ask you another one. A22, apa nilai dia? What's the value? Yes, very good. -6 because row 2, column 2. So you see it meets at -6, the intersection. Okay, persilangan dia kat -6. Very good. Okay, so this is the most early part of this chapter lah, yang paling awal kamu kena tahu. Okay, so after this part, you all will learn on equal matrix. I think you all heard of this, right? Pernah dengar kan? Matrix sama kot dalam BM. Matrix, if I'm correct lah translation saya. Untuk unsur memang kita, selalunya guna huruf A. Always will use A. Okay, tapi exam tak fokus kepada yang ni. Exam question won't come out on this because if come out also objective lah. Subjective takkan keluar yang ni because this is very basic stuff. Sangat pada bahagian awal. So usually they don't test on this lah. I rasa dalam exam pun kamu tak akan nampak macam ni soalan dia. Okay, so we go to the next part. Equal matrix, matrix sama. So let's say 3, 1, 2, 5, satu matrix lah macam ni. This is one part of matrix and they will give you something like this. Let's say M. Okay, so they will ask you to find the values of M and N. Mereka akan suruh kamu cari nilai M dan N. Okay, so how to find M and N, guys? Macam mana kaedah untuk cari dari sini? What method do we use to compare? What method do we use to find? Yeah, 5 and 3, -3, betul. Yes, correct. Okay, yeah, compare. Bandingkan kedua-dua belah persamaan. You compare both sides of the matrix equation. Means 5 here, M. Means M equal to 5. And then the second part, M plus N equal to 2. So you already have the value of M. Kamu dah ada nilai M. Jadi gantikan sahaja. 5 plus N is 2. So you will get your final value N equals -3. Yeah, negative. Okay. So this is your answer. 7. Kat mana 7 tu? How do you get 7? This one we want M and N. Silap. 5 tambah. Tak ada. Okay, this is the correct way. So next part, I want to ask you guys lah. Matrix, right? We usually use this kind of bracket, right? Kita guna kurungan macam ni. Is there any other bracket we can use to write matrix? Adakah ada lagi kurungan untuk menunjukkan matrix? Is this the only bracket, guys? Yes, very good, Afrika. This one also can use, very good. Okay, yang ni pun boleh guna, guys, because you can see in the sum of the trial question, sesetengah soalan percubaan mereka guna yang ni. Means this also accepted. Okay, together with this. But which one I prefer, yang mana saya suka guna yang ni. Yang square bracket. Okay, kurungan macam segi 4 sama. Yeah, sure. This one? Yeah, square bracket look more neat, correct. Let me go a bit out here. Okay. Okay. So square bracket always preferred because when you write down the elements, right? Bila kamu tulis unsur-unsur dalam matrix ini, M plus N equal 3. Aiman, M plus N you will get 2. 5 plus -3, you will get 2 total. Oh, wait, let me check. M plus N equal 3. Oh, sorry guys. Oh my god. Saya blur. Thanks, Aiman, for reminding. Mistake. So next time you guys see when I make mistake, please point out because this one all is just careless. Okay, so M plus N must compare with this one. Okay, so 3. Sini 3. Maksudnya N is -2. Okay, correct. So make sure you guys also don't silap compare because sometimes bila kamu buat soalan secara hari, very rushing, you might make this kind of careless mistake. Okay, so make sure this is -2. Okay, so next one, make sure bila kamu tulis nombor dalam matrix, when you write numbers in a matrix, yeah, correct. Okay, so make sure when you write numbers in a matrix, right, they must have space between each other. Kena ada jarak. Because the problem is if you write very close, like this, they can seem as one number. Boleh jadi satu nombor, 56. Tapi kamu maksudkan 5 dan 6 secara berasingan. You actually mean 5 and 6 separately. But then you combine, write very close, become 56. So you must be careful when you write the numbers in matrix. Make sure there's a big gap. Okay, maksudnya kurungan kamu kena besar lah. You have to have a big bracket, means a fat bracket like that, so that easier for the examiner to see which part you want lah. Okay, so this is another thing to take note. Okay, so after this, okay guys, until now okay sampai sini. Can you all understand? I break for a while. Okay, can now. Okay, next one. Other things on matrix. Okay, let me think. Okay, identity matrix. Let's talk about this, guys. Kita bincang pasal matrix identity ini. Okay, so identity matrix has one common shape. What is the shape of identity matrix, guys? Apa bentuk atau susunan matrix identity ini? Can you type out the shape of the matrix? Yeah,
Satu
correct. But
kosong
what?
kosong satu.
Yeah, betul. But what is the order? Order dia berapa? Yeah, correct. What times what, guys? When you tell shape of matrix, you must tell like this: row times column. How many row times how many column? Yeah, 2 times 2. So question always will ask you what is the order of the matrix. Ini cara soalan tanya. Apa susunan matrix? Jadi kamu kena cakap 2 kali 2. Okay, this is the shape. Shape or order lah, same thing. Okay. So can I ask you guys, 2 times 2, is this the only format where identity matrix can exist? Adakah identity matrix ni satu saja macam ni? Yes or no?
Ada lagi.
Yeah, betul, correct. There is more actually, but in your syllabus, you don't involve this. Okay, but the other identity matrix that I can share with you all, if you all interested, is this one. Okay, ini adalah matrix bentuk 3 kali 3. This is a 3 times 3 matrix. Okay, you can see that the number 1 is always arranged diagonally. Nombor 1 ni disusun secara diagonal. Banyak kan sebab ada 9 unsur, 9 element. 3 times 3 you get 9 element. So it's a lot already. Exam tak akan melibatkan operasi 3 kali 3 matrix. Okay guys? Exam won't involve 3 times 3 matrix. Don't worry. Out of syllabus already. The maximum syllabus go is 2 times 3 and 3 times 2 if I'm not mistaken lah. Yang paling tinggi. 3 kali 2 atau 2 kali 3. Okay, so other than that, no need to know. Tak perlu tahu. Max is 2 times 3 only. Means total yang paling maximum mungkin kamu akan ada 6 elemen saja. Total of 6 elements only. Okay, so everyone understand? Semua faham? About this identity matrix thing? Okay, so let me test you guys on the shape of matrix. We just do a random practice untuk kenal pasti susunan matrix. Okay, so can you tell me what is the order or the shape of matrix over here? Apa susunan matrix? Apa kali apa?
3 kali 1.
Yes, very good. Okay, so next one. Yang ni kena lihat hati-hati because sometimes you can get confused one with this kind of thing. 5, 8. Okay, what is the order here? Yeah, row times column. Selalu ingat RC. Okay. Yes, very good. 2 times 3. 2 row, 3 column. Nickname, acronym untuk ingat rate crescent. Row times column. Okay. Tapi bahasa Melayu lebih susah lah nak ingat sebab baris dan lajur BL. Tak tahulah, kamu semua cipta lah apa yang senang ingat. Blackpink, senang. Blackpink guys. Untuk Malay, Blackpink. BL. Okay, simple. I give you all the mnemonic tadi. First 2 letter guna Blackpink untuk yang ni matrix punya. Okay, baris kali lajur. Simple. This one, B times L. Yeah, nice tip, correct. Okay, so next one, what else? Okay, let's do one more. Let's say we have what shape? Okay, this one guys. What is the order of the matrix? Apa susunan matrix ni? Yes, very good. 1 times 3. Okay, enough already. Means you guys very good already. Okay, 1 times 3, correct. Okay, so next, I want to show you the relationship with the identity matrix. Hubungan identity matrix ini. So we talk about the relationship now. So how do we get an identity matrix? Macam mana nak dapat satu matrix identity? So you have to have 2 matrix that you times. You will get identity matrix. Matrix identity kita guna simbol I untuk mewakili dia. we use a letter of I to show identity matrix. That one you all must remember. Okay. So now, can I ask you guys, what is the relationship between A and B to form identity matrix? Apa hubungan A dan B untuk membentuk matrix identity? This is another form of matrix you all learn. Yes, very good, Aiman Danish. Mereka adalah songsang antara satu sama lain. Both of them are inverse to each other. Means that A is equal to B inverse, or kamu boleh katakan B sama dengan A inverse. Mana-mana satu, anyone. Okay, there's two possibility over here. First one, second one. This is how you can get identity matrix. Cara untuk dapatkan I2. Okay, so how to find inverse matrix? This is another part you all must know. Satu lagi bahagian. Cara untuk cari matrix songsang. Okay, so let's say I have a matrix A. Okay, let's say -1, 5, 3, -6. Okay, so now I want to find A songsang. Songsang kita guna kuasa -1 guys. To represent inverse, we always put power -1. Okay, so first you must know the formula. Formula ni diberi dalam kertas exam kamu, jadi tak perlu hafal. This is already provided in your exam for maths. So this is the formula. Okay, yang ni saya ingat guys, saya tahu tak rujuk pada mana-mana pun. Jadi yang sampai sekarang saya ingat, I rasa you all also can remember lah. Okay, now I studying in college also, I still remember this formula, you know. Okay, so I think now you all still studying means can remember this formula. Okay, so what else to tell? Okay, AD minus BC. Yang ni kita panggil apa guys? There is one term for this. What do we call AD minus BC? You can tell in English or Malay. Yeah, penentu. Very good. Okay, in English it's called determinant guys. We give it a symbol of D. Determinant. Just like how I told you guys, remember our AdMaths lesson last week? Masih ingat tak kelas AdMaths kita? B square tolak 4AC. Kita guna simbol D juga, determinant. That one. Okay, to find the roots of quadratic equation, cari jenis-jenis punca bagi persamaan kuadratik. Same concept here. This is the determinant for matrix. Okay, so there is two conditions over here. One of it is AD minus BC, the value nilai dia sama dengan kosong. Satu lagi keadaan, AD minus BC is not equal to 0. Okay, so these two mean different things. Dua-dua ni membawa maksud berlainan. So first one, can I ask you, if AD minus BC equals to 0, is there going to be inverse matrix or not? Adakah akan ada matrix songsang tak kat sini untuk keadaan yang pertama ni? Yes or no? Not. Very good. Okay, so if you guys struggle to remember, I can tell you an easy concept. Wait first, I write first. No inverse. Okay, so very simple guys. Just look at your formula again. You'll understand the whole thing. Kamu akan faham. Katakan yang ni sama dengan kosong guys. Seluruh yang ni. What happens guys? Apa jadi? 1 bagi kosong, what do you all get guys? 1 divide 0? Infinity, right? Tak wave. Undefined, no solution. Okay, so this is why it doesn't have inverse matrix lah. You cannot find also because undefined already. But if you have a value over there, kalau kamu ada nilai kat situ, then you can find lah your inverse matrix. As easy as that. Okay, can you all understand guys? Boleh faham? So this is the condition, AD tolak BC2. Okay, so this one is got inverse lah, if not equal to 0. Inverse. Got. Okay, so done for this. And then, okay, let me think. Okay, now we go to plus and minus all lah. Kita pergi kepada bahagian tu. Operation involve matrix. Okay, we talk about that a bit. This one is the part where most of people struggle. Bahagian selalu mereka tak suka. Okay guys, first question. Can I do this type of addition or not? Bolehkah saya tambah dua-dua matrix ini? Very good. Cannot. You won't have an answer for this. Tak ada jawapan. Okay. So whenever you do addition, subtraction, make sure to check the order of the matrix. Itu sebab saya buat latihan tadi. Identifying the order or shape of matrix is very important for all the operation. Plus, minus, times. Okay. Semua operasi ni kamu kena tahu, kenal pasti order dia dulu. Then only you know whether you can do it or not. Okay. So that's why order is important. So you can plus and minus only if you have the same shape of matrix. Hanya boleh tambah tolak bila ada bentuk matrix sama. Okay. So another concept is about multiplication. Ya, betul. Correct. Mesti, wajib. Okay. If not, cannot. So now we talk about multiplication a bit. So let's say I got a matrix like this. Now I want you to identify the shape of the product for this multiplication. Now kamu kenal pasti bentuk matrix yang akan terhasil kat sini. So can you all give it a try? Boleh cuba? Apa bentuk matrix kamu untuk jawapan? What will you expect your shape of matrix in your answer? Okay, salah. Saya pun kena kira. Yes, correct. 2 times 1. Okay, very good. So for those not really sure, you must do one by one. This is a 2 times 2 matrix because 2 row 2 column, dua baris dua lajur. Okay, this one is a 2 times 1 matrix, 2 row 1 column, dua baris satu lajur. So can you see here guys the similarity? Ada satu persilangan kat sini. There is an intersection. This is why we cancel off these two number and we take the starting and the ending number to determine the product shape. Okay, kita ambil nombor paling hadapan darab dengan nombor paling belakang punya so that we can get the order of the matrix for our answer. So this is very useful especially in objective questions, soalan objektif. Sebab objektif kamu ada 4 pilihan. You have 4 choices. So directly without calculating this also, tanpa kira ni, if you suddenly see your answer here, 1 kali 2 matrix, mereka bagi satu pilihan kat situ. Totally out lah. No need to count also. Because you must expect that your answer must be 2 times 1 matrix. Kena 2 kali 1. Other shape, out. No need to count also. So this is the fast tip lah, cara nak hapuskan pilihan jawapan yang tak berkaitan. Okay. Not relevant option, you straight away delete. No need to count one by one. Okay, guys? Can you understand this tip? But after this, you all must know lah what to fill in inside the bracket. That is the important part. Okay, so now we try to solve the matrix multiplication for this. We try to do together. Okay, sure. Repeat the tip. You must expect your answer to be this shape. The form of the matrix must be 2 times 1. Okay, so other matrix shape provided in the answer, you can straight away cancel out. You no need to count this one by one and compare with each answer. So the remaining option that you have, maybe will have 2 remaining option lah, which is 2 times 1 matrix, but with different values inside the matrix. So that one you have to count lah. You have to count this to determine which is your answer. Okay, can you understand? Okay, so this like save time lah. No need to go through all the option. Okay, so now we see how to do the multiplication for this part. Actually, calculator can do this also, guys. Calculator boleh buat matrix ni sebenarnya. Especially if you got the fancy calculator, this one all no problem. Just key in, you get the answer. Habis. But the problem is FX570MS calculator ni sangat panjang sebab kamu kena key in satu-satu semua nilai ni. You have to key in one by one, which is going to take time also. Akan ambil masa. So this is why I like to do manually. Tak guna calculator untuk matrix because manual actually faster over here. Untuk situasi ni, manual method is faster than calculator method actually. Okay, trust me. You try to go and see YouTube how long to do this kind of calculation in the calculator. Okay, sangat panjang. Especially if the matrix size goes bigger, more headache for you. Okay, so that is why kalau kamu master kaedah manual, if you know how to do manually, lebih baik lah. Okay, so let's try to do this. So first of all, you must expect your answer to be this. Bear in mind. So 2 times 1. 2 row, 1 column. Means your element is like this only. Okay, cara kamu susun unsur-unsur kamu. So first of all, take the number 10 times with 6. 10 darab 6. Always when you're going to the next number, you must plus in the between. Okay, kena tambah kat tengah-tengah bila pergi ke unsur yang berlainan pula. Okay, so next you take the negative 2. Negative 2 cannot go and times with 6 again lah sebab dah kali dengan 10. The 6 already times with 10. So you must take the negative 2 to times with the other number over here. Remember in matrix, you must always involve all the numbers. Tak boleh mana-mana satu nombor tertinggal. This is another tip. Whenever you times, you must make sure all the 6 numbers are involved. They must contribute to your final answer. Kena bagi sumbangan setiap satu. Okay, so this is why you will get negative 2, 7. Okay, so can you type out for me guys? If you understand the pattern, cuba bagi tahu saya apa jalan kira untuk nombor kat bawah. What is the working to obtain the answer in the second row? Untuk baris kedua tu, macam mana operasi dia? Yes, very good. Okay, boleh tulis tolak terus pun boleh ya. Because plus minus become minus lah. Okay, so you'll get 1 times 6. Kalau nak lebih faham, kamu tulis tambah dululah. Plus negative 5 times 7. Okay, this is the order. Very good. Okay guys, can you understand this? Lepas tu kira nilai sajalah. Use your calculator to calculate the final answer for this one. Okay, so let me give you another example. Let's say kita pergi 1 times 3 pula. Wait na. 1, 3, 5. 10, 4, negative 2. Okay guys, this one. Can you tell me guys, based on this, your final answer, what shape of matrix? Apa bentuk matrix jawapan akhir kamu? What will be your final answer look like? No, not 3 times 1. Yes, 1 times 1, correct. Okay, 1 row, 3 column. 3 row, 1 column. So 3 cancel off sebab nombor dia sama. Okay, means your final answer, you should expect 1 times 1. 1 times 1 means look like how guys? Satu nombor sahaja jawapan kamu. Only one number over here. That's it. Nothing else. So can you all think and see macam mana nak tunjuk jalan kira untuk yang ni? How to show the working for this? Can you all type out? Yes, very good Afika. Kamu tahu, okay? So always take the first number, multiply with the first number. Selalu macam tu. Nombor pertama kat sebelah kiri tu darab dengan nombor pertama ke atas tu. Then follow middle number with middle number. Third number with the third number over here. You must recognize the pattern. Kena pasti pola dia. Okay. So you just count lah this value 1 times 10 plus 3 times 4 plus 5 negative 2. Okay guys, up till now, okay? Before I go to the last part of the notes, then we can do question already. Okay, Meijun starts spamming the love already. Now I got energy. Okay, come. Okay, so you all must know matrices. What is it? The equation. How to convert matrices to simultaneous equation. Then the answer will be only 12. Wait, then the answer, yeah, only one number, correct. If you count correctly, I think you will get 12. 10 plus 12, 22. Yeah, 12 is the answer, correct. So you get one number in the end only. Okay, so now is the most important part. Exam favorite question, guys. Soalan peperiksaan paling suka punya, kertas 2. This one, they'll ask you to solve simultaneous equation by using matrix method. Okay, kenal pasti keyword guys. Bila mereka spesifik dengan menggunakan kaedah matrix, means that penghapusan, penggantian, substitution or elimination cannot be used. Okay, if they specify the method, you have to follow the question. Especially if they test you on matrix, they are going to ask you by using matrix method solve the simultaneous equation. They can give you the equation directly. Mereka boleh bagi persamaan untuk secara terus kepada kamu, that type of question will give you 4 mark. Let's say they give you a situation, satu situasi, suruh kamu bentuk persamaan, form the equation, and then solve the matrices to find x and y. This one is 6 mark. Okay, guys. So this is how the exam question can come. This is why this kind of question can appear in section B, because section B paper tu ada banyak markah kat situ. Satu bahagian macam ni pun dah 6 markah. Okay, so you can gain a lot of marks over here lah kalau kamu betul-betul faham how to do this kind of question. Okay, so let us talk about simultaneous equation first. Okay, so let's say I got two equation over here. Saya ada dua persamaan. Okay, let's say I give like this lah. Random example lah guys, contoh yang agak random saja. Okay, so now you have to convert these two equation kepada bentuk matrix. You have to change these two equation to a matrix form. So how do we change it to a matrix form? Very easy guys. Just put three brackets like this. Letak tiga kurungan macam ni saja. And fill in the numbers accordingly. X go first, Y go next. XY. Negative 6, 12. Can you see the pattern guys? Boleh nampak pola tak? Isi X, lepas tu Y kat sini. Means you fill in the coefficient of X and Y. Perkali bagi X dan Y, kamu isi dalam kurungan pertama, first bracket. Second bracket, of course, you must fill in with X and Y lah, because you want to find the X and Y value at the end, right? Kamu nak cari nilai pemboleh ubah X dan Y kamu. And then equals to the right hand side over here. Okay guys, can understand now how I fill in. This part is the most important part for matrix. Okay, can okay. So this one you must be careful. Variable pertama dalam equation kena duduk atas kiri. Yeah, I want to mention this condition. Yes, Aiman. Okay guys, whenever you apply this method, bila kamu lagging, guys, am I lagging? Others? Or just for you, Praveen? Oh no, I think your side, Praveen, not my side. Never mind, maybe you try to rejoin again. I think it will come okay. Okay, so ax plus by equals c. You must make sure your equation is in this format, guys. Kamu kena pastikan persamaan kamu adalah dalam bentuk ni when you want to solve this kind of question, simultaneous for matrix. Okay, other forms kamu kena tukar. Let's say you have a format y equals mx plus c. You cannot directly do this kind of method. Kamu tak boleh buat kaedah macam ni. You must make sure your format is like this before doing the changing to the matrix form. Okay guys, do you get me? This point? This point very important sebab kadang-kadang soalan boleh trick kamu. Because you think you can fill in directly, but you forget to realize the format of the equation. Kamu lupa tentang format persamaan tu. Always make sure it's in this form. Okay, so the question boleh bagi kamu dalam apa-apa bentuk, but make sure convert to this form first. Guna algebra kamu, your basics in algebra to make it to this form first. Then only you apply the matrix method. Okay, so other than that, I think this chapter basically I go through most of the parts already. A lot of the parts I had to go through. So these notes, I actually include in the notes. If you see, I send in the group. Semua yang ni. Actually, all of these I terangkan already. Semua yang ni. So this one you all can go through in your free time. Okay, guys? Agree? Nanti bila kamu free, kamu bacalah satu persatu. Because I feel like this kind of notes quite good also for you all. Because they use like color coding method. So it's good for those who can learn well with colors. Okay, kalau kamu suka warna, boleh ingat dengan bagus. This is the type of notes for you. Okay, so that's why I put this here. For those who love color when learning. Okay, so this notes use a lot of colors lah. You can see over here. Okay. So all of this gone to the Okay, so now we do questions lah. Kita pergi soalan for this 1 hour. Okay, come. First we start with subjective. Okay, soalan-soalan macam ni, not the typical question that will appear. That's why I picked to discuss today. Ada trick kat sini. There is some further thinking that you all need to do before forming the equation. Sebelum bentuk persamaan, kamu kena faham beberapa perkara dulu. Okay, so this kind of question, one extra step lah. Okay, so first of all, based on the question, you all need to know the definition for dividend. Okay, so dividend, can anyone tell me the formula? Macam mana nak kira dividend? How to count dividend? Anyone? Dividend is in what form first? You all must know. Apa bentuk dividend? In what form do we represent dividend? Do we represent it in decimal, fraction, what? Pecahan, perpuluhan atau apa? Apa kaedah kita nak mewakili dividend? Yes, Aiman Danish, correct, peratus. Remember guys, dividend is always in percentage. If you all learn your consumer maths yang bab form 3 tu, matematik pengguna, they always use dividend in percentage. Okay, remember this. Selalunya dalam bentuk peratus. Okay, so this is an important information if you want to solve this question. Okay, so you see together. They say Encik Ismail gets a dividend of 460, highlight, from the investment of both unit trusts. Okay, means that these two plus should give you a dividend of 460. Agree? Okay, so but this is not it. Semuanya bukan kat sini saja. You must make sure you understand the dividend formula. So you have to make an assumption over here. Let X equals to the dividend of P. Kita bagi boleh ubah kat dia lah, baru kita boleh selesaikan, right? Okay, so we say Y equals dividend of Q. Okay, you must write this assumption now, guys. Kena tulis anggapan macam ni in your exam paper. Then only the examiner will know where you are going actually. Apa hala tuju kamu. Kalau kamu tak tulis macam ni, kamu terus mula jalan kira kamu. Pemeriksa boleh tanya kamu balik. The examiner can ask you back. Does X represent P or Q? I don't know. Y represent P or Q? Bila persoalan macam ni timbul dalam minda pemeriksa, then very tough lah. Because it'll be quite not organized lah. Tak tersusun jalan kira kamu. So quite difficult lah. So you must always remember to specify the assumption you make. Kena bagi tahu setiap anggapan kamu buat dalam matematik. Okay, this is a general process in the working. Okay, that even at maths pun guna yang ni. Okay, so first of all, can you all tell me can you all form the first equation? Boleh bentuk tak persamaan pertama? Guna maklumat 460 tu. Anyone want to try? Use variable X guys. Guna X untuk P dan Q kamu guna Y untuk mewakili dividen. Yang ni is total lah guys. Remember this 460 is total of the P and Q. Just type out the equation for me. Type saja persamaan yang kamu dapat yang pertama. The most important part is identifying the equation first. 6000x plus. Okay, wait saya kena check dengan saya punya 60x dy. Afika, mengapa kamu dapat 6000 tu dan 4000? I rasa ada sikit silap kat situ. Others guys, you all can try. Don't worry. Just try only. Wrong doesn't matter. We all learn together. Okay, we are family here, remember. Kita semua keluarga kat sini. You're all friends. Just try only. Don't worry. Remember, when you try only, you will know whether what you understand is correct or not. That's the most important part. Kalau kamu tak cuba, you don't know. Dividen tu maksudnya dalam peratus. Maksudnya dividen ini mewakili sebahagian daripada nilai 6000 ini. Yes, Afika dah betul dah. Correct. Okay, very good. So I'll show you how to do this actually. Whenever they talk about dividend, it's actually representing a percentage. Percentage, how do we write, guys? Let's say 80% dividend. How do we write it? Apa lagi cara kita boleh tulis yang ni? We can write it 80/100, right, guys? Bila kita tukar kepada pecahan, yes, correct. We can convert it like this. So same concept over here. Let's say from unit trust P, I say is X%, right? Tadi saya buat anggapan. So I can say that it is X over 100. And then times what value, guys? Kali nilai apa? Nilai kat sini. 6,000 ni. Okay, this value, 6,000. Okay, because that is for Encik Ismail. This is the method. Okay, so times 6,000. This is how we can get the value of dividend from the unit trust P. Cara kita kira nilai dividend dari saham P2. Okay, lepas tu you have to plus lah because you have another unit trust, remember, Y over 100. Then times what value? Refer to the table again. 4,000. Kita tengok secara mendata, guys, horizontally. This whole thing, semua yang ni, you can put in bracket if you want. This is equal to 460. Jawapan akhir saya kadar dividen. Jawapan akhir Afika kamu boleh bagi dalam nombor bulat, whole number. You can give in percentage. Sebab mereka nak kadar rates. Rates is always in percentage, guys, not in decimal. Okay, kadar selalu dalam peratus, bukan perpuluhan. Okay, guys, can you understand how I form this first equation? Any problem, please tell lah. Kalau ada masalah, kena kongsi. Okay, understand. Okay, good. So if you understand, can you form for me the second information? Same step only for the wife now. Let me rub this so that you can see the value. Wait now. Okay. The value here is 550. You can type out the ringkas form. Tak perlu type like how I write here. After you solve the whole thing, you just type the equation for me. No need to type like this. 70x plus 50y equals, yes, very good, guys. You already understand. Okay, so this is how we get the second equation. Betul. Okay, so how to solve this question? You can see over here. Okay, I hope you guys can solve at the same time lah while I'm explaining. Okay, kena buat sama-sama. Okay, so once you get these two equation already here, you just need to fill inside the matrix form. Kamu kena isi saja dalam matrix kat sini. Okay, you see over here. 3, 7, 3, 7. 2, 5, 2, 5. Lepas tu XY. Lepas tu 23, 55. Okay, X is 5, Y is 4. Wait, let me see. Yes, correct. Betul. Tapi kamu kena specify, tahu, X tu mewakili unit trust P atau Q. You have to conclude in your final answer. Kena bagi kesimpulan kat bawah. Jangan tinggal tergantung saja. X equal 5, Y equals 4. Okay. So after this, you must know how to solve the saham, Dennis. Sorry. Unit trust is amanah saham. Yeah, sure. I'll send in the group. Okay. So this is how we do the how to find X and Y. So this whole thing, seluruh yang ni, this is how you found the inverse matrix. Tadi saya terangkan. Okay, just now I explained 1 over AD minus BC. And then this one is the formula also. This one is D, this is negative B, this is negative C, this is the A. Okay, macam mana dapat yang ni? You inverse from this one over here. Okay, so how the pattern is, you just switch these two position, tukar kedua-dua yang ni, just add a negative to the 2 and 7. So this is how I get this one. Okay guys, can you understand? Boleh faham? Good, So next one you see over here. Next is just basically your matrix multiplication. Because we are doing inverse matrix, when you want to find X and Y, you must remember, Ashwina, this one. You have to shift this over here. When you shift something with like this over here, you actually become like this. 3725 power negative 1. Power negative 1 means inverse. Whenever you shift something to the other side of the equation, you must always put power -1. Okay? It's like normal times and divide relationship only. Like let's say 2x equals 7. I give you a contour over here. So when you want to shift the 2 over here, you get x equals 7 over 2, right? But let's say I don't want the divide. Saya tak mau bahagi 2. Saya tak mau simbol bahagi 2. How do we write it? 7 times 2 power -1, right? Index law. Can you see this? This part. That is your matrix over there. That's why I didn't write -1 my working, but this is the meaning lah, maksud dia. Because that working you no need to show because it don't gain you mark. Tak bagi markah pun. So you don't need to show this part, guys. Yang ni tak perlu tulis. No need. Because it don't give you mark. Okay. What don't give you mark? Don't write lah because you can save your time also a bit. Okay. Boleh jimat masa. So next, this one, you must know the matrix multiplication, this part. Kena tahu pendaraban matrix. So again, 5 times 23 plus -2 times 55. Okay, this is the method we use, kaedah dia. Okay, and then same, -7 times 23 plus 3 times 55. Okay guys, are you clear on this part? Yang bahagian pendaraban tu, yes or no? Clear, huh? Okay, so this kind of matrix you all should master Adila by now, okay? So other than that, semua yang ni tekan calculator saja. Okay, so this is what I was telling Aiman Dennis tadi. Jangan henti jawapan kamu kat sini, guys. Don't stop here. Okay, why? Because you need to conclude. Kamu kena bagi tahu balik kat examiner that X actually represent dividend rate for P and Y represent dividend rate for Q is equal to 5% is equal to 4%. Can you see guys? How I write the answer. Cara kamu bentangkan jawapan. This is method of presentation of your answer. Okay, so you must present clearly lah. Yeah, yes, correct. This is why you must state back. Kena bagi tahu balik. Okay, are you clear guys for the first question? Semua clear? Okay, we go to the next. Next one also a bit on kewangan actually. Kewangan related to matrix. Okay, so this one. We talk about Kamal now. So they say Kamal owns a land. He wants to raise goats. Okay. So his son. This part guys. This part a bit tricky. Kalau kamu baca secara pantas, if you read very quickly, how many goats are here guys? Can you tell me? In total, how many goats? If you read very quickly, you can get wrong on this because of the language. Bahasa dia, for the English part, very confusing. 6 female and male goat. This is the problem. There you see. Some people might assume that 6 female plus 6 male, but these 6 actually represent in total, secara total for the female and male. Must be careful over here. If you don't trust the English, try to read the BM. Cuba baca BM. I feel that BM pun macam sama dengan BI, so, but yeah, so you must make sure this one correct lah. Okay, so make sure your first equation, you must get x plus y equal to 6, not any other number. Okay, because 6 is the total. Okay, jumlah dia. Okay, so now the second equation is the harder part. So can you tell me guys, any idea how to find the second equation? I assume x as female and y as male lah guys. X2 kambing betina, Y2 kambing jantan. If anyone can type out the second equation means very good lah. 300x plus 400y equal, yes, very good Afika, betul, very good. Okay, so the only part you all need to know here is this part. Kamu kena ambil 25% darab dengan 8,000. 25% of 8,000, you will get 2,000. Yeah. And then, nilai tu adalah sama dengan yang ni. 300x plus 400y. Because 300 and 400 mewakili harga bagi satu kambing jantan dan betina saja. Only represent the price for one female and male goat. Means if you have X female goat, the price is 300X. If 400 male goat, your price is 400Y. So plus jumlah yang ni. This is the total, 25% of 8,000. Okay guys, can you understand? Boleh faham how to form the two equation? Okay, very good. So this one you can see over here. Okay, so this is how we form the equation actually. Actually guys, if you smart enough, kamu boleh ringkaskan yang ni dulu sebelum ganti dalam matrix. You no need to sub the big value. Sebab bila kamu gantikan nilai besar, no worries, I understand. If you sub a big value, chances that you make careless mistake is higher. Kamu akan buat try lebih kelap if you sub a bigger value. Jadi selalu permudahkan persamaan dulu sebelum ganti dalam matrix tu. Always simplify your equation to the lowest coefficient before subbing inside your matrix equation. Okay, so this is how I substitute lah. You can see over here. So you see 1 and 3, 1 and 4. Just compare the coefficient. Tengok perkali X dan Y saja. So this is why you get 1, 3, 1, 4 over here. And then you get XY lah because we are using XY. And then equals to, kamu lihat balik persamaan. 6 kat atas, 20 kat bawah. So you will get 620. Okay, so after that, again, same concept. See, they always test you on this only, how to find the inverse matrix. Cara nak cari matrix songsang. So you see AD minus BC, this one. This one is get from the original matrix, guys. Jangan ambil nilai ni dari sini. You will get wrong already. So make sure you take from the original matrix. Okay, matrix asal kamu, nilai AD tolak BC tu. Okay, then you do the songsangan, inverse of this one. Okay, tukar kedudukan dua nombor ni and then add negative to both of the number. Okay, so you will get like this. And then salin balik 620. And then you do the multiplication, pendaraban matrix. You times 4 times 6 plus negative 1 times 20. And then negative 3 times 6, 1 times 20. Okay, so you should get an answer of 4 and 2. Means that you conclude that kesimpulan kamu, number of female goat is 4 and number of male goat you should get is 2. Okay, can you understand guys this question? Boleh faham soalan ni? Yes or no? All good? Okay, so tips for you guys. I give you all another tips here. Let's say lah, you're not confident with the answer you get over here. Macam mana nak semak guys? The two number ones. Yeah, correct. One female, one male. Okay, how to check this answer is correct guys? Macam mana kamu nak tentukan? Yes, very good. Gantikan balik dalam persamaan asal kamu. You substitute the x is 4 and y is 2 into your original equation here. Let's say this one. Kamu boleh pilih mana-mana. So you check and see. 4 plus 2, kamu dapat 6 tak guys? Yes, correct. Okay, let's say another one. Kita check dengan satu lagi persamaan. This one. Wait, I rub for you guys. This is the tip to check whether your answer correct or wrong. So X is 4, Y is 2, kamu akan dapat 20 juga kat sini. 12 tambah 8, 20. Okay guys, so we go next question. So I think everyone clear for this. Okay, this one guys. This question, SPM 2022 question. Exact one. Yang ni soalan sebenar SPM 2022. Yang baru-baru ni. This question came out in section A. Maksudnya matrix untuk tahun saya, my year, matrix question came in section A, bukan section B. Okay, so maybe your year, tahun kamu, maybe lah, I just predict, maybe section B. Your year, usually mereka akan alternate. Okay, there'll be like 1 year section A, 1 year section B, something like that. So expect your year matrix tu mungkin keluar sampai 9 markah lah, satu soalan. One matrix question can be 9 marks if section B, 7 to 9, something like that. Okay, so not that difficult also, tapi mereka boleh tweak lah kadang-kadang here and there. Okay, wait, this one, guys, can you see clearly on your side this question? First of all, boleh nampak tak dengan jelas? I can write out the values for you if you can't really see. Boleh nampak 3x. Oh, Afika dah. Wait guys, I share screen in my laptop so that you guys can see. Wait just wait for a while. I find the question in my laptop so that you all can solve also. Wait let me download it first. SPM. Wait I'll stop share here for a while guys, so that I can show the question in my laptop. I'll share over here. Okay, so for those that couldn't see the question easily just now, you can find it over here. Okay, this one. Can see now guys. Boleh nampak dengan lebih jelas sekarang? Okay. Can see guys. Afika memang cepat selalu. Selalu I rasa dia buat sebelum kelas. This the attitude guys to get A+. Kena ada motivasi buat soalan sebelum kelas. Okay guys, so if you can see, can you all type out the two equation over here? Cuba bagi tahu kat saya apa dua persamaan kamu boleh cari dari sini. If you want me to zoom in a bit, can. Kotak tu face mask, Aiman. The bottle is the hand sanitizer. Try to type out for me the two equation you all can find. Kamu boleh buat anggapan macam X atau Y kat mana-mana pun. You can make any assumption you like. Sanitizer tu ada dua botol panjang. Package A ada 4 botol. Package B 6 botol. Anyone guys? Do you all get the equation already? Sudah dapat persamaan matrix? Persamaan serentak tu? 3x plus 4y equal 148.4. Okay, correct. 4x plus 2y equal 301.2. Okay. 12 tu kat mana Afika? 4x plus 2y. Oh yeah, 12, correct. Okay, 12y, yes. Okay guys, so make sure you all take note here, this part. This is the trick guys. Ini adalah trik soalan. Two sets of package B guys. Ada dua set kat sini Means this one you have to multiply by 2. Kedua-dua yang ni kamu kena darab dengan 2 bilangan dia. The total you must multiply by 2. Means you have 4 face mask, 4 kotak pelitup muka dan 12 botol pencuci tangan. 12 sanitizer. Okay, so this is the only trick over here. So other than that, you can solve already. So can you try to solve guys? Can you tell me your X and Y value? Dapat berapa? Cuba kira before I show my working. Face mask 2880. Yes, correct. Betul. Okay, so if you don't make any careless mistake, guys, kalau tak ada apa-apa cuai, you should get face mask 2880 and sanitizer 1550. Okay, so let me show my working first over here. I stop present this. Share screen. Okay. Okay, so how to solve? You can see over here. Okay, so kamu kena tulis anggapan kat sini juga. You have to write your assumption on top of the question before solve. Sebelum proses selesaikan tu. Make sure you have the assumption there. Baru examiner tahu X2 untuk apa, Y2 untuk apa. Okay, so again follow 3 mask 4 sanitizer, 1 for 840. This one. And then the next one, remember, dua package B, 2 times. Okay, so you get 4 face mask, 12 sanitizer, is 30120. Lagi sekali, kalau kamu boleh permudahkan persamaan tu, sebaik-baiklah kamu permudahkan. If you can simplify the equation, just simplify it so that it's easier for you. Okay, so then you just sub inside your matrix. Convert the equation to matrix form. Okay, so 3, 1, you see here 3, 1, 4, 3, 4, 3, XY, 14840, and 75, 30. And then from there, again, same method. Make sure you know how to do your inverse matrix. 1 over AD minus BC over here. And then switch these two positions, add negative to the number over here. Okay, so you will get this one. This one copy back, and then you must do the multiplication of matrix, pendaraban matrix kamu. Okay, yang ni darab dengan yang ni, lepas tu tambah yang ni darab dengan yang ni. Lepas tu opposite, bertentangan. Dua ni dan dua ni. So you should get the final answer, this one. Okay, so again remember your conclusion, kena bagi tahu balik kat pemeriksa. Then you will score full mark, markah maksimum di tangan kamu. Okay guys, all good? Semua okay? Before we go next question, next question pun juga soalan SPM. This is also an SPM question, but again, sorry for the not clear image, so I will show this question in my laptop again. I don't know why the questions all not clear, the one available online. Sorry, I'll show the question over my laptop. This one is SPM 2021 question, soalan sebenar SPM 2021. Okay, so this one, SPM 2021 matrix keluar bahagian B, guys. Okay, so you can see the trend. Okay, so this is the question. Yang ni, untuk bentuk persamaan kedua agak a bit susah, sedikit susah, because of the information over here. You try and see, guys. Can you form the two equation or not? Cuba try yang ni. See, you can see, guys, this kind of question, you see matrix come out in section B, total 9 marks. Jumlah 9 markah untuk satu soalan macam ni. Three x plus 6y equal 45, 7x. Wah, hebat lah Fika kamu. Very good. Yang kedua tu agak susah. The second one, some of you might struggle, guys. Anyone struggle lah? Second equation, can you type me? Siapa-siapa struggle terus cakap dalam ruang komen. Yang kedua tu. First one easy. Second one kena imagine sikit. Anyone struggle? Just type me only. Atau semua boleh buat. Okay, so I'll explain. Okay, so this one, I think you all no need the question already, right? I show on my tablet first. Later I show back if you all want. Okay. So this one, okay. So first of all, you must know the information. Let me see over here. Huh? Okay. So they said for the first equation, 3 pizza plus 6 cupcake. Dia guna voucher pertama dia. Jumlah RM45. Okay, so yang ni senang lah. Kamu buat anggapan X tu mewakili harga satu pizza dan Y tu mewakili harga satu kek cawan. X is for one pizza, Y is the price for one cupcake. So this is your first equation. Okay guys, any question for this? Ada apa-apa pertanyaan untuk yang pertama? I think this one you all can understand, right? The first one. Okay, so second one, this one. So let me read to you from the question. Okay, so based on the question, the next day her sister buys 7 slices of pizza. Okay, pada hari seterusnya kakak dia beli 7 pizza using the second voucher which is also RM45. Voucher kedua pun nilai dia RM45. Tapi mereka kata harga bagi nilai bagi voucher kedua tu tak cukup. So she need to add some cash which is equal to the price of a cupcake. Okay guys, can you tell me price of a cupcake? Harga sebiji kek cawan. Kita guna simbol apa untuk mewakili dia? Can you all tell me? Price of one cupcake. What is the information? One. Satu saja, Aiman. They say one cupcake. Yes, Y. Okay, cupcake is Y, guys. You can see over here. Okay, so that's why it's Y. So that's why you must add the Y over here. Tambah Y. Okay, can you understand why I plus Y, guys? Because they say this one tak cukup, insufficient. So that's why I need to add on the price of a cupcake to make it sufficient. Kena tambah harga kek cawan tu untuk bagi voucher tu cukup. Untuk 7 pizza ini. For the 7 pizza. Okay, are you clear guys for this? This one is the tough part for this part. Okay, so if you try to rearrange your equation, kalau kamu cuba susun balik, kamu akan dapat macam ni. Always remember guys, matrix, remember AX plus BY equals to C format, selalu. You must always have your equation in this type of format. Okay, so that is why you must change the equation a bit to get to this form. Okay, so if you can get until here, so can you tell me guys, what do you get for X and Y value? Apa nilai X dan Y kamu? Jawapan akhir. Based on these two equation I write here. Cuba latih diri buat kaedah matrix because in the real exam you have only one option. Cannot use substitution or elimination. Tak boleh guna yang dua lagi punya. So kena latih diri lah buat secara matrix. Yes, correct Aiman Danish. Betul. X is 7, Y is 4. That should be your answer guys. Okay. So for the working, yeah, pizza 7, cupcake is 4, correct. So the working, you can see over here. Don't worry guys, if some of you solve slowly, tak perlu risau because later I will send this slide in the group also. So you all can go through my solution slowly. This one I go fast because I want to cover more question with you guys. Saya nak bincang lebih banyak soalan. Okay, so 3 pizza plus 6 cupcake, 45. So you will get like this. And then make sure you give it in the simplest equation guys. Persamaan yang termudah. So that easier for you later. And then next one. Okay. So next one. They say second voucher plus the price of one cupcake. Harga sebiji kek cawan will be equal to the price of 7 pizza. Harga 7 pizza. Means that 45 plus Y equal to 7X. Okay, sebab satu pizza tu X, one cake cawan is Y. Okay, so that's why you get 45 plus Y is 7X. And then make sure rearrange back to AX plus BY equals to C. Baru kamu gantikan. Okay, you can see over here 1, 7, 1, 7, and then 2, negative 1, 2, negative 1, and then xy, and then 15, 45. Okay, guys, clear? How to get the matrix? And then the next part, you see over here, you must do the inverse lah. Kamu kena buat songsangan. So over here, 1 over AD minus BC, and then you inverse the matrix. So as you can see over here, the top part, you just switch the position of A and D. Switch this one, add negative. You will get this one. Then copy back. And then from here, you must know lah your matrix multiplication, pendaraban matrix. So then you should get 7 and 4 as your final answer. Any question, guys? Clear? Try to comment, clear or not? Okay, good. So part B is interesting also. Okay, this one, you guys, can you see the PDF or not? Like, is it clear for you guys? Because, I tell out the question to you easier. The following week, Lisa and sister used the third voucher to buy 4 pieces of pizza and 2 cupcakes. Okay, so now you must realize, guys, ada 3 voucher kat sini. The total value is given here, 125. So can I ask you guys, first voucher 45, second voucher 45. So third voucher value how much, guys? Apa nilai voucher ketiga tu? Yes, very good, 35. You just take 125 minus 2 times of 45. So you get 35. Okay, so that's an important info. So then what you have to do sangat senang. 4 pizza, 2 cupcake, 4x plus 2y. Gantikan nilai x dan y kat sini into the equation over here. So just now you got x is 7, y is 4. So can you tell me, guys, apa nilai untuk yang ni? The totally. What is the value for this expression? When x is 7, y is 4. 36. Yes, very good. So that's why kamu boleh buat kesimpulan, conclude that the voucher is insufficient lah. Third voucher not cukup. Because 36 is greater than 35. Yang just now you calculated lah, 125 minus 90 is 35 one. So therefore it's insufficient lah. Boleh lah pinjam ke mana-mana RM1 tu. Senang nak dapat. If anyone kind-hearted can donate that $1 to them. Okay, so understand, guys? SPM 2021 question. This is a very good question actually, because it's not the typical matrix question you can see in your exam. Bukan soalan matrix biasa-biasa. They add on a bit of extra level a bit. Okay, so the next one come back to a normal type of question actually. Let me see. Okay, this one. Can you all find out what is the matrix of M over here? Cuba cari matrix M kat sini. You must know, guys, what do we call this? Apa kita panggil yang ni? This type of matrix? Yes, identity matrix, correct. Okay, correct. Means that, apa hubungan M dengan yang ni, guys? What is the relationship? M and the 32651. What is the hubungan antara mereka? Yes, songsang, very good. Okay, so now you can find out lah. Kamu hanya perlu buat songsangan matrix ni sebenarnya. Just inverse this matrix, then you will get matrix M. Jangan takut guys, if you get pecahan or anything. Betul jawapan tu, okay? If you get your answer in fraction, don't worry. Tak semestinya matrix selalu nombor bulat. Matrix, the value can be in fraction also. So just share your answer once you all get M2. Oh, okay, wait, I try to explain. Let me check for Afika. 5/3, yes, correct. Okay, betul. So Afika's answer is correct. Okay, guys, so you can refer over there. So for Ashwin, let me explain to you. So this one, and never mind, I use the working easier. Okay, so you can see over here, right? This is the question that you got just now. So you should know that these two metrics are actually inverse to each other. Okay, matrix song sang. So you must do the inverse matrix for this one. So again, we call the method 1 over AD minus BC. Inside the bracket, you'll get DA negative B negative C. So that is what I'm applying over here basically. Exactly the same thing. So I just substitute the value only. A is 3, B is 2, C 6, D is 5. Okay, you can see over here when I sub. And then again, you see, switch the position D and A, and then add a negative symbol. Then you will get this one. Then just multiply 1 over 3 inside to all the terms. Dapat masuk saja 1/3 ini. So can you understand now? This is how like we solve for the just now previous question one. Simultaneous concept only, the way you solve the simultaneous equation. So this is just one part of it lah. They take out for you. Okay, so the next question actually is simultaneous. So guys, can you tell me or not, what do you get for X and Y over here? This one, part B. Now is your time to practice. X is 2, Y is -1. Afika, cuba ganti balik nilai tu dalam persamaan tu. Do you get the correct answer? Always guys, whenever you get an answer, always substitute back to your equation. Check and see whether correct or not. That's the best way to check. Walaupun dapat nombor bulat, you might think your answer is correct, but kena hati-hati. Walaupun you get a whole number. Yes, Aiman Danish, correct. -1 and 3 should be your answer. Okay guys, so again, matrix method, same method. This one good for you because the question already give you the equation. Kamu tak perlu bentukkan persamaan tu. You just directly use the equation only and fill in inside the matrix form. Simple only this one. Okay, so why 6 marks? Oh, 6 marks wait let me check. Is it 6 marks? 6 marks for whole question, Aiman Danish. Maksudnya yang ni 2 markah, yang ni 4 markah. 2 and 4. Bukan untuk yang ni saja 6 markah. Impossible. Okay. So next one, we see the 8B. Okay, so you can see over here, I direct substitute only. 3625, 3625. And then XY, 39. Same pattern only, guys. Because this one already in the format of AX plus BY equals C. So it's simple for you. Boleh buat penggantian terus. Tak perlu ubah dah. Just directly use the equation. And then again, tukar kedudukan. Bila buat songsang yang ni, tambah negatif. Add negative, you'll get this. And then yang ni AD tolak BC lah. 1 over AD minus BC. Lepas tu kamu dapat masuk this one. 5 times 3 plus 2, negative 2 times 9, negative 6 times 3 plus 3 times 9. You must know the format. And then when you solve, you plus everything the calculator, you should get -1 and 3. Final answer. Okay guys, clear? Boleh faham? So we go next question, next subjective question. Something similar. Okay guys, I train you all one more. Try to find the inverse matrix for this. Because just now some people got problem, right? This one. So kamu cuba yang ni. Tell me your answer. Yang ni soalan agak similar saja. So you can solve actually. Tell me your answer, guys, once you get. Just share only. Anyone got problem, please stop me. You must tell if you don't know how to solve. 5 over 7, 2 over 7, 4 over 7. Yes, very good. Betul. Okay, so you will get your answer in fraction, guys. Bentuk pecahan jawapan kamu. So I think you apply the same method as just now, you should be able to get your answer actually. Kaedah sama dengan soalan sebelum tu saja. So you can see over here, 1 over AD minus BC, and then you tukar kedudukan these two. When you add negative to a negative number, guys, akan jadi positif. Dia akan tukar jadi positif. 2 and 4. So be careful from that lah. Don't need to maintain the negative already. So then you just press calculator only. Tekan calculator saja. Because this one you don't have another matrix over here. Tak ada satu lagi matrix kat sini. So you don't need to do the multiplication like a normal question. Okay, jadi kamu boleh dapat jawapan terus. This one. Okay, understand guys? This one? Boleh faham? Okay, so next one. Try this one. Another pair of simultaneous equation. Oh no, problem child is here. Tell me once you all get that answer. X is 2, Y is negative 1. Yes, correct. Betul. Okay, so guys, you should get your answer 2 and negative 1 for X and Y. So try to check and see with your working also. So never mind, if you all solve slowly, doesn't mean a lot, but try to speed up your pace lah slowly as you all go along. Kena latih diri untuk cepat buat. Okay, so this one, again, you can directly substitute the value. Directly put inside 3, negative 4, negative 2, 5, all over here. And then xy, 8, 13. Okay, 8, negative 13, sorry. And then 1 over AD minus BC, same concept. Okay, and then you must inverse. Yang ni adalah matrix songsangan, inverse matrix. And then the 8, negative 13 comes over here. Okay, and then again you must do the matrix multiplication, pendaraban matrix. 5 times 8 plus 2 times negative 13. For exam, kalau kita tak tunjuk yang darab tambah tu pun tak apakan. This one Aiman Dennis, kamu maksudkan yang ni ke? This one kena tunjuk, must show. Because ini menunjukkan kamu faham macam mana nak buat pendaraban matrix ke tak. This show whether you know how to perform the matrix multiplication or not. So you must show. So itu adalah part of the jalan kira. Okay, so must show guys this part. Everything I write here must show. Apa yang saya tulis kat sini perlu tunjuk dalam jawapan kamu. Okay, because everything will have marks 1. Okay, so you should get, once you solve, press calculator, you should get 2 and negative 1 for your final answer. Okay, so clear guys on this question? Yang ni soalan struktur yang last subjective question for today. Ini satu situasi juga, another situation for you. Okay, so they asked to calculate the price of 1 packet of chocolate and 1 canned drink. Okay, satu bar chocolate dan satu Coca-Cola tu, or soda. Okay. So, can you all form the equation for me first? Cuba bentukkan dua persamaan tu bagi saya. 4x plus 8y equals 36. 2x plus 6y equal 22. Wait guys. Let me check. Ya, correct. Sebab saya permudahkan. Okay guys, so from that two equation, dari dua persamaan tu, you can actually simplify both equation kepada yang lebih senang. Okay, sebelum buat kaedah matrix tu untuk selesaikan. Okay, so you get your answer, x is 5, y is 2. Yes, correct. Okay, x is 5, y is 2. Okay, so if you try to do the matrix solving, you should get that answer. Okay, over here. So, like what Aiman Danish wrote, you just have to divide the whole equation by 4. Bahagi seluruh persamaan dengan 4. Then you will get this one. And then this one, divide the whole equation by 2. And then you will get this one. And then you sub the value. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, xy, 9, 11. From left to right, kamu pergi dari kiri ke kanan whenever you're filling in the matrix bracket. Okay, and then you just have to solve for x and y again. 1 over AD minus BC. Same concept, guys. Switch these two position, add negative. And then copy back. Lepas tu buat pendaraban matrix kamu kat sini. This one must show guys. Setiap tambah dan tolak kena tunjuk. Okay, to get the mark. And then you should get your final answer 5 and 2. RM5, RM2. Okay guys, clear for structure question? Everything? Semua? Kita bincang banyak soalan for structure today. Clear? Huh? Okay, so let me choose one hard objective question for you guys. Before we go lah. We just try one objective. Sebab kalau kamu boleh kuasai structure, objective shouldn't be a problem already. That is why I start with structure today. Let me see which one I should take. Okay, try this guys. Cuba yang ni. Can you all tell me what you get for m value? Yang ni menguji kamu tentang konsep equal matrix, matrix sama dan juga pendaraban matrix. It tests you on your matrix multiplication also. Okay, Afika kata D. Others? What do you all say? Objective always based on majority, guys. We need to hear the majority. Others? 13 equals m minus 8. M equals 21. Okay, Aiman pun kata donkey. Okay, others? I hope you all also get 21 because 21 is the correct answer. Okay, 21 tu jawapan betul. So you must know lah how to do the matrix multiplication for this. So can I ask you guys, 2 times 2 matrix multiply with 2 times 1 matrix, what is your end product? Apa bentuk matrix akhir? Division. Yes, also 2 times 1. Okay, because 2 and 2 cancel, you have 2 and you have 1. So you get 2 times 1. Okay, so the working, you get something like this. Okay, so you should get like this lah. Objective no need working, but this is just how to solve only. Okay guys, so clear for today? So the rest of the question over here, you all can go through lah because the rest is only objective. Semua soalan objective kat sini. Okay guys, can you all go through this? The rest of the objective, just self-revision this one. Ulang kaji the rest of the question. Okay, so how you guys feel today about matrix? You all understand better? Rasa confident tak nak score dalam matrix ini? Okay, Mejun, spam more hard for me. More hard. Okay, that's the way. Nice. Okay, nice. Thank you for the heart. Very nice. Wow, others also start spamming heart already. Nice. Okay, so for you all, I give you all final quote. The two most important days in your life are the day you're born and the day you find out why. Okay, dua hari penting adalah hari bila kamu lahir dan hari kamu cuba tahu mengapa. Okay, so you guys all have your own important role to play in this world. Okay, it might be in your study, it might be in any other field you all like. Okay, so make sure you all cari purpose kamu ada di dunia ini. Always you have a reason why you are born to this world one. So you should find out your reason. Okay, cari sebab kamu. Okay, and make your dream become possible. Okay, kejar impian kamu selalu. Okay, so yeah. So anything you can refer my YouTube lah. I hope the recording for today can upload over here. So you can share the recording to your friends also lah if they want to know on this matrix chapter. Okay, so other than that, any question you guys have? How to kejar girlfriend? I don't know. My name got listed in my school target student and I'm the only one with Maths G among the other target student. I don't understand your statement. My name got listed in my school target student and I'm the only one with Maths G. Oh, semua other target student gagal ke? Is this what you mean? Welcome, Aiman. If you guys have any other question, you can always stay to ask me. Don't worry.